Welcome to ZAARA'S world. This is your Zara. Today take your 2A practice book for grade 2. Turn to 158 page. Solving word problems multiplication. Number 1A. The house is 6 blocks high. That means how much height it is. The tower is twice as high. So what is 2 times 6? Take 6 fingers and count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What's the answer? 12. Easy. I'm going to write 13, so I'm going to 12 right here. The tower is 12 blocks high. Arun has 4 circles. Jess has 5 times as many. 4 circles does. How many circles does Jess have? Okay, here, how many groups? 5 groups. 4 in each. How much? Let's count. 4. After that, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The answer is 20. This has 20 circles. Here there are three black dots. But here we don't know. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In here there are two groups. First let's start here. Here there is 3 times 1. Because there is one group, 3 in each. Here there are 2 groups and 3 in each. Here, if I put a line, you will see there are two groups and 3 in each. Okay, now I will cross it like this so you know there is 2 groups. That's why I put this. There are 2 times as many white dots as the black dots. B. Mary has 5 pages of 4 stickers. How many stickers does Mary have? Okay, here we will put 5 groups and 4 in each. So what's the answer? You know? No, but I know. Let's take 5 fingers. Now we'll count it first. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. The answer is 20. Number C. Paul has 6 pages of 10 stickers. How many stickers does Paul have? Okay, here this is 10 times table and it's so easy. 10 times 6 is 60. Number 3. How much more is 3 times 10 than 5 times 5? Here there is 10, 5, 5, 10, 5, 5, 10, 5. 3 times 10 is 30. 5 times 5 is 25. So what are the difference? 25, I'll tell you. 30, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Like that only it's coming. They're taking a 5. Can be solved with bar model. I have 4 balls. Umar has 3 tabs. What I have? I'll write 4 times mark 3 equals 12. 12. 4, 4, 4. Let's put a square like this. And after that, we are finding the answer. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 equals 12. See, it's so easy that you can do it. Let's explain how you could solve these calculations. How many legs do 6 birds have? Okay, here one bird has 2. 2 birds has 4. 3 birds have 6. 4 birds have 8. 5 birds have 10. 6 birds have 12. So 2 times 6 equals 12. Wait. 12. Tom's tower is 5 blocks high. Prisha's is twice as high. How many blocks height is Prisha's tower? Tom's tower is 5 blocks height. Prisha's tower is 5 times 2 equal. Take 5 fingers and count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10. Write 10 over here.